everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is also from Instagram. This one's from keto_guide on Instagram, and it is called carnivore chips. That's right, chips that are carnivore. They're made of meat. I got to try one of these, and they're really good, so I definitely recommend them. But watch the video. My mom, of course, made some alterations for her allergies, but we're going to put in the video the recipe pictures so you can see it. But hopefully you guys will give this one a try. It's kind of fun, and we ate it with dip that my mom made. So these are carnivore chips from keto_guide on Instagram. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
All right, as Yoda said, we're making carnivore chips today out of ground meat. Yes, that's what we're doing. We have venison. I'll link, or I'll actually put some pictures of the recipe that my mom sent me in the video, but it is pretty easy. They used a pound of ground chicken. I'm using a pound of ground venison. Mixed it with a couple of tablespoons of taco seasoning, or if you have a packet, just put in the whole packet, and then a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're going to transfer it to some parchment paper. And then we're going to cover it with saran wrap and roll it out into a thin sheet. They said almost see-through, so I'll show you what that looks like. So I've rolled it out with the saran wrap on top. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it in the 375 degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. So 30 to 35 minutes on 375. And then you let it cool for 10 minutes before you break it out. All right, it was about like 32 minutes, but I feel like it's really done. So we're gonna let it sit for 10 more minutes and cool before you break it up into chips. All right, wait the 10 minutes, then you can start breaking them up into chips, however big you want them. Ah, hear that crunch. Nummy, nummy. That's pretty good. Not bad for a carnivore chip. And cheaper than most you can get, online. All right, enjoy. Happy Monday. We're serving ours with a nacho cheese that I made. You can do queso, guac, whatever you want. Say happy Monday, Yoda. Give me a chip, Mom.